Hello students, if you like my channel, please click on like and subscribe for new notifications. In the previous videos, we have solved Sainik School entrance examination question paper of a section A part, that is mathematics, up to 30 questions. In this video, we will solve from 31 to 50 questions. So mathematics part will be over here. So see the 31st question, read it.
What will be HCF of 216, 288 and 720?
So this one is the very simple question. Here you have to find the HCF of these three numbers. So first write down these numbers 216, 288 and 720. So first divide it. 108, 144, 360. Next one 3, 2 5 2 4 2 7 2 180. Again it divides by 2. Now 2 is not divisible by all the three numbers. So now take it as 3. 3 9s are 3 12s are 3 30s are. Again it will be divisible by 3. 3 4 10. So again it is not divisible by 3. So only these many numbers are possible. HCF will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So which will be equal to 4, 8, 24.
72.
So our HCF is 72.
D
So here
option.
is the option D, which is the right one. Now we'll move on to the next question, that is question number 32.
Solve 106 into 106 minus 94 into 94.
How
What
you are
will be
going
the
to solve
answer?
this? How you are going to solve this?
First, find the product of 106 and 106 and find the product of 94 and 94.
No. There is one simple formula is there. What is that? A square minus B square is equal to A plus B, A minus B. So this rule here we are going to apply. So here A is what? 106. B is what? 94. So here it is A, here B. So A into A is nothing but A square minus B into B is nothing but B square. So you can write like this, A plus B and A minus B. A plus B is what now? A is 106 plus B is what? 94. Again A minus B. A is what? 106 minus 94. So you add it. 200 into 12. Here you are getting 2400. That is 2400. So option A. What is that? 2400. This one is the right answer. Sometimes you have to remember these formulas. So it will be very much easier. Now read the next question. 33.
2 is 2 by 3 of 70% of 600 when subtracted from a number is 320. What is the number?
So if off is given in the question,
We have to multiply.
Very good. So 2 by 3 of 70% of 600 when subtracted from a number. We don't know that number. So let the number be what?
X.
X. So x minus what they have given? This one 2 by 3 of means multiplication. 70% means 70 by 100. Again of is there. You have to use multiplication sign. Again this one is 600 which is equal to 320. Means you have to solve this equation. Here 2 zeros, 2 0 get cancelled, 3 ones are 3 twos are. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 7 28 is equal to 320. Now what is the value of x? 320 plus 280 which is again equal to 600. So here option B is the right one. We'll move on to the next question, that is 34th one. A
A
mobile
mobile phone is sold for rupees 1650. After purchasing it for rupees 1500, what is the percentage of profit?
So here you are purchasing a mobile for rupees 1500. Means the cost price of a mobile will be what now? 1500. Again that mobile phone you are selling for rupees 1650. So selling price will be 1650. What they have asked? Profit, because cost price is less than selling price, means you are getting profit itself. So what is the formula for profit? For profit is equal to what? It is always a selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. So this is the profit formula. So you put selling price 1650 minus 1500 divided by again 1500 into 100, which is equal to what? 150 into 100 divided by 1500. So 20 get cancelled. 10. So profit is what now? It is a 10%. So any answer is there? So percentage of profit will be 10. So option A is the right one. So next question is what? 35th. See here.
In the first test of mathematics, a student gets 18 marks out of 25. The second test of same weight age, he got 22 marks. What percentage of marks did he get more in the second test?
So there is a mathematics test. One of the students got first time 18 marks out of 25. Again in the second time he got 22 marks out of 25. So what they have asked? What percentage of marks did he get more in the second test? So you have to find percentage of both tests. So for the first time, first test. So how much he got? He got 18 marks out of 25. Means 18 divided by total marks. If you are calculating in percentage, you have to multiply with 100. So 25 ones are 25 fours are, you get 72 percentage. Again in the second test. Second test, he got what? 22 marks. 22 marks out of 25 marks into 100. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So he got 88 percentage. How much more? More means you have to subtract these two. 88 minus 72 is what? 16 percentage. So he got a 16 percentage more marks in a second test. So this is the right answer. So next question is 36. Here they have given average of 20 results is 18. If 3 is subtracted from each result, then what will be the new average? So 20 results average is 18. Again 3 is subtracted from each result means, so total number will be same. So here you take 18 minus 3, which will be 15. So this is the new average. So 15 is the correct answer. You can do it in another way, but this one is very much simple because the total number of results are same. You can do like this. See the 37th question. They have given to solve this one. 7 by 3 into 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 5 whole divided by 2 plus 1 integer 2 by 3. So which is equal to 7 by 3 into 2 by 3. If you are changing division sign to multiplication, then
invert the second fraction.
so it will become 5 by 3. 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 2 means 5 by 3. You solve it here. So multiply it. 70 divided by 27. Again here you take LCM. 3. It will be 3. 6 plus 5. Which will be 70 divided by 27 whole divided by 11 by 3. Again 70 divided by 27. Whenever the denominator goes to the numerator, the numerator and denominator interchanges. 3 becomes 3 by 11. Again
3 ones are 3 nines are.
70 by 99. So what is the answer now? 70 by 99. Is there any option is there? So option B is there. So 70 by 99 is the right answer. So next one.
If
30.
90.0675 is divided by 15, then question is?
So this one is
Very easy.
Direct question. So first you divide the number by 15. 90.0675.
6
15 6 90.
Point 0
Again you are taking what?
4 5 15 5 75.
So here the remainder is 0. What they
Point
ask? Quotient.
6.000045.
So this one is the quotient.
Yes.
This one is the remainder. So answer is
A.
So option A is the correct one. Next 39th question is
How many seconds are there in 24 hours?
So 24 hour is given. So write down 24 hour
into 60 minutes.
Contains 60 minutes. Any 1 hour contains 60 minutes. Again 1 minute contains
60 seconds.
60 seconds. So you have to multiply 24 into 60 into 60.
60 into
So
60
it will be
3.
Converted into seconds. Now you multiply it. 24 into 3600. Again you multiply it. So after multiplying these things, you are getting 86,400 seconds. So is there any answer is there?
D one.
D, option D is the right one. Now read the question number 40. Square root of 1089
Value is
divided by 121. Value is means here you have to divide 1089 with the 121. So do it manually. 1089 so you are getting 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So answer is 3. That is option A. Now read the next 41st question.
If angles A, B and C in a triangle ABC are 3x, 5x and 8x plus 4 respectively, then find all the three triangles.
So here triangle ABC is given. For the triangle ABC or any kind of triangle, two are having the value as 180 degree. So sum of the angles in a triangle are always equal to 180 degree. So 3x plus 5x plus 8x plus 4 is equal to what? No, 180 degree. So these are the angles 3x plus 5x plus 8x plus 4. So one angle, second angle, third angle, which is always equal to what? 180 degree. Then find the all the three angles. So find first x value. 3x plus 5x is 8x. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16x plus 4. You subtract it. 176 you will get x is equal to 16 ones are 16 ones are. X value is now 11. Means 3. Now the value 3x, 5x plus, 8x plus 4 will be 3 into 11, 5 into 11, 8 into 11 plus 4, which will be 33, 55, 88 plus 4, 92. So which option is right? The option 1 is the right answer. Now, see the next 42nd question. Here, what are the prime factors of 37,800 is given. So, you have to do like this. First, you have to divide it with the 2. 2 ones are, 2 eights are, 2 nines are, 0, 0. It will not be divisible by 2. Again, it will be divisible by 3. 3 ones are, 5 are, 7, 5. Again, it will be divisible by 3. 5, 2, 5. In 12, it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3 or not. 6 plus 7, 13. It is not divisible by 3. You divide it by 5. 5 3 is 5 5 is 5 7 is again 7 1 is. So these are the answer. First 2 3s, 3 3s, 2 5s, 1 7. So option B is correct. 2 3, 3 3, 5 2s and 7. So this one is correct. So next we will see 43rd one, that is 10% of 3.75 plus 15% of 7.25. Convert it into decimal. So first one is 10% means 10 by 100. Of means multiplication sign 3.75 plus 15% means 15 by 100. Of means multiplication sign 7.25. So what they again? Convert it into decimal. So first 10 into 3.75 will become 3750, 2 decimal places, 37 point like this 100 plus you multiply 15 into 7.25, it will be 10875. Here will be point by 100. Again 100 is there, you 2 decimal places, you will get 3750 plus 1.0875. After adding these things, 5, 2, 6, 4.1. So option C is the correct answer. 4, 6, sorry, this one is wrong because 5, 2 is given. So 2, 5 is there. So this one is correct one. Now see next question. Which sequence correctly matches these angles with their measures? So see the figures here. So this one is an acute angle, say approximately 30 or 40 degree. Say 35 degree. This one will be 180 degrees. This one will be 90 degrees. This one will be more than, greater than 90. Suppose say 125 degrees. So we'll write in ascending order. First one is 35, next 90, next 125, next 180. So sequence is 1, next third one, next fourth one, next second one. Any option is there? 1, 3, 4, 2. So first option itself is correct. It is 1, 3, 4, 2. So option A is the right one. 45 question you see here. I am a prime number. If you subtract 2 from me, I became divisible by 7. So here we will do the trial and error method. If you subtract 2 from me, if I subtract 2 from this, it will become 27. 27 is not divisible by 7. Again, if you subtract 2 from here, 17. 17 is also not divisible by 7. Again, you subtract it 2 from 31. 9, 2. So 29 is also not divisible by 7. Again, you subtract 2. 21. So this is divisible by 7. So option D is the right one. Here for the questions from 46 to 50, the following table has to be consulted. So from 46 to 50 questions, all the 5 questions, you need to see this table. So see the table here. In the first column, they have given a name of the city. In second column, they have given temperature at 3 a.m. And in the third column, they have given temperature at 3 p.m. Here 3 a.m. in third column 3 p.m. And some of the cities were given and their temperature were given. Now see which place had the highest temperature at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. means you have to see the table second, that is second column in a table. 3 a.m. highest temperature is which one? 21.6. So this number is the highest. Means it is of Thiruvananthapuram. So option B is right one. Next. Question. Which place is the coolest at 3 p.m.? So again you have to see the table. 3 p.m. means you have to see third column. This one. 3 p.m. less temperature. So less value is 8.1. So which is of Srinagar. So Srinagar will be the correct answer. Again, see the next question. How much higher is the temperature in Mumbai from that of a Srinagar in 3 p.m.? So in 3 p.m. means you have to see again third column of Mumbai and Srinagar. Mumbai value is 35.1. Srinagar value is 8.1. So you have to subtract it. We will get a 27. So answer 27 is correct. So next one, how many degrees will the temperature at 3 a.m. need to rise for it to reach 40 degrees Celsius in Thiruvananthapuram? So you have to see the table of Thiruvananthapuram and 3 a.m. So see the table 3 a.m. and Thiruvananthapuram. It is what? 21.6. 21.6. What they have given? They have to reach 40 degree. So to reach a 40 degrees Celsius, you have to subtract it. 481. So 18.4 is the answer. Now see the last question. For this also you have to see the table. How much lower is the temperature of Kolkata from that in Chennai at both times 3 a.m. and 3 p.m.? So you have to see the Kolkata and Chennai temperatures both at 3 a.m. and 3 p.m. Kolkata, this one, Chennai, so Kolkata and Chennai, how much lower is the temperature of Kolkata from Chennai at both times? Means you have to subtract 21.1 minus 13.1, which will be 8, and this one 29.9 and 26.6, 330. So answer is 8 degree and 3.3 degree. Is any answer is there? 8 and 3.3. So option A is there. So this is the correct answer. So likewise you have to solve these things. Thank you.